Hello, EDLS 700 crew. Candidates, we will be meeting again in Goldsboro this weekend, April 21 and 22, with a 9 o'clock start on Saturday and an 8 o'clock start on Sunday. For your weekend in Goldsboro, please bring your creature comforts, your sweaters and coffees and electronic devices and extension cords. Also, we are coming to the end of the semester and you should be completing your ODP. Some of you I know have presented the ODP to your superintendent or board or supervisor or someone else. Please bring your ODP D, whatever you may or may not have presented to others, to present to us this weekend. I would like you to share what you have for your ODP D. With the rest of the group. We will use a rubric to look at all parts of the ODP ABCD before you submit that to me in Blackboard. You will be submitting it after the weekend, I think, for formative feedback in Blackboard prior to submitting in TaskStream for the summative feedback. I'll make sure that you're set up in TaskStream and that you know how to do that this weekend, but you should be wrapping up your ODP. And you'll submit parts C and D to me in Blackboard. One reading that I do want you to look at and to respond to this week are the HR retention strategies. It's just a short little reading and a response, but if again we say that people are our most important resource, the whole point of the ODP is, in my interpretation, is to think about developing people and the human resource in your organization. And this is an interesting handout about the irreplaceables. How would you go about keeping that irreplaceable teacher? ODP Part C and D will be submitted later, but you don't need to do that prior to the weekend. I have a couple of readings and activities that I would like you to be familiar with prior to the weekend, but you don't need to do anything with them right now. So triggering reform is going to be one of our activities this weekend. CBAM is the other. The concerns-based adoption model is something that I may have referenced in the past. We may do more work with in the future, but how do you get an organization to change? I want you to start thinking strategically about CBAM and one possible model for a concerns-based adoption model for change. So CBAM is something that take a look at it prior to the weekend. You don't need to do anything with it prior to the weekend. So we got a big weekend coming up. I will say something about those dissertation resources and assignments this weekend, but primarily get your ODPs wrapped up and bring a copy of the ODP, a presentation with PowerPoint or handouts that you're ready to share with others on your ODP. Thank you. Write to me, call if you have any questions. Look forward to seeing you this weekend. Thanks.